track aimed at Chronic Law and Malie Donn going back and forth from the other day in regards to 6 Boss and Wagwan with 6 and Chronic Law. So we can see where Malie Donn released a track aimed at Chronic Law and I see a bag of thing. Funny enough, this song is really a solid song, a splash song where really can take on Chronic Law based on what me I hear from this song. You see me, I say, cause we never know see some Malie Donn full of lyrics. But anyways, we are taking more why song will go on before we get into everything. So we are a lot of artists that throw song and throw this song towards each other. It's good to hear the youth them release lyrical track, you know what I mean, so we can judge them based on their lyrics, you know what I mean, like aim at the correct line and spit lyrics, you know what I mean, cause you don't know his 6 side go already, but we can hear like Malie Donn I use some squash flow where squash got going on, and it's a good look, it's not a bad thing anyways, cause you only make Malie Donn more appealing to the audience, you know what I mean. Nation, tell me when you think about this Malie Donn track, tell me if this track can go on, it's a good track to start a war, but you know which war me really want to see. I really want to see a Alkaline and a Masicka war, to be honest, cause that's the war me I look for in a dancehall at this moment, cause me notice them two artists, them very lyrical and them very avid for each other. You see me I say, so we don't really want to see a Masicka and an Alkaline war. We can see in the streets where we other see other people I say them don't want to see same thing with a Masicka and Alkaline war. No tell me what you thinking.
You see me? Masicka, hear me I say, big man thing. More you tap on the ants. More you tap on the man, crush it. You see me? Just step on the ants and crush out the ants. You know, like you see a little cockroach run up and they're gonna push up there, you just step on it and crush it. More step on the ants or the cockroach, wherever you want to identify him as, just step on him and crush him, Masicka man. I use a who get some up, you know. I use a who get some up, come over, bust the cylinder, you know, Masicka. Big man thing, you know. Masicka crush the ants, man. Crush the ants, man. Rub him.
Nation, this is a highly anticipated war with Masicka and Alkaline right now in the streets. A lot of people are talking about it on the internet. Nation, one thing, this would be a really interesting war with Alkaline and Masicka. Now we can see where a Crocodile fan come out and I say that Masicka might be a release his old songs. This is the reason why people are say Masicka song them sound alike. But I'm telling you what you think in the comment box, even though them sound alike, Masicka is a wicked artist. We not lie about that, we not take no from Masicka. And Alkaline is also a dangerous artist, so we don't really want to see this. We're going to hear what the fans here say about Masicka. Take a listen.
Thank you.
Are you a fan of Masicka? What are your
Yes,
thoughts
I
on
am.
his music?
I love Masicka's music.
You do?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
This is not just you not trying to piss off people on the internet.
Yeah, also like that, but you know, I love me some Masicka, you know.
Bad artist though?
Bad artist.
You think, oh God. And this is why they say all the way uptown. Right?
Woo! Bad artist.
That's always an uptown show. Why you think he makes the same song over and over again?
I understand the argument, but
do.
as Javi said, he has repeatedly shown that he can show that he's versatile. I've listened to the albums and they're quite diverse. Maybe it was just in the vault and, you know.
In the vault.
Yeah, probably these are like last season songs or
just say release.
Lego 8 Pandem. You know? You never
Just
know.
like that.
I don't think all his songs sound the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
You think?
When you think about where Mama Crux say, cause we know say Masicka is a real bad artist, but we don't really see Masicka really take on nobody and slash nobody in no war yet. We see Alkaline go toe to toe with the 6 them, but the war they never really go far. You see me I say, cause the 6 them are Alkaline, I don't know who wave a white flag in another war. But don't tell me when you think about where Mama Crocodile say in another one. But we can say where our brother come out and say Alkaline thief him song Walk the Walk and thief him name, and I use that against him because him about the body wash business. You know, take a listen to where the brother has.
Walk when them see me. Walk the walk. I saw them call me Alkaline. So you gonna DJ about Walk the Walk. You never, and the boy I listen to my page, you know, cause big when I come to me, I tell me what. Busha, ease up off of the DJ, you know. Ease up off of why you see me dep on a man post so big when. Tell the DJ if a blood clot back up out of the battle wall talk where him can't, Alkaline, you can't rub out where you put pan song. And you did say girl lick out your body wall, but brata, back up boy. And then you gonna run with my song, Walk the Walk. My one song, my one big song you run with. Listen man, this now go say no. Pussy what? Yeah. So you wake up like this. Yeah, some go on my bed like this and wake up just like this. We are talking about the suit, or you talk about the miserable blood clot argument. Which one of them? Bumbuckler. And I'm gonna believe that pussy mechanic. Him can't come back with Brata again. Remember, I know why I put the walk in the song I mentioned Brata in the song again. I told the boy I know so me I burn out the Brata, you know. I know so walk on my thing. Him can't address me. Me know me my throw him out pan. But him can't address me. Walk, your mama. Walk.
On nation, this Masicka and Alkaline situation has caused a big row in a dancehall. Me like the buzz of it, but we really want to see these artists go at it. Is these two artists going to go at war in a dancehall? The streets want to know and the people them want a war. So
Alkaline and Masicka at it. If them for clash, who you feel a win?
Masicka, man.
So you really feel like Masicka can beat Alkaline? That you tell me?
Right
The vendetta
true.
boss?
Right true. Me I get serious.
Why you feel so? Me want to know.
I mean.
I will see Alkaline clash Popcorn already. I will see him clash the 6 them.
Alright,
And him hold him.
But we about then. Up on cartel. I know him not win nothing. Where am I gonna come? Him just a run up.
Me feel like Alkaline would have win. That me I
You
say.
feel like. But when me feel like. One side.
And a genocide.
And a genocide.
Yeah, bit spend that fast. Me and them not in a beef, much less same class. When me see some of them a bravo, me laugh. All day we flash.
no nation, this is the war where everybody are pre in a dancehall right now. And this war is not like a Mavard and a Vibes Cartel war where we could tell say Vibes Cartel is a more lyrical opinion in other war there, but Mavard can do anything. This war is a war with Masicka and Alkaline, two bad artists, two star artists in a dancehall right now. A lot of people love in a dancehall. You see me I say a lot of these two artists have good street cred in a dancehall for the music lyrically. So this would be a good look. So we are gonna hear where one Kevin has say about Masicka and Alkaline, cause one Kevin has say Masicka and Alkaline are two artists were afraid of war. But me agree with where one Kevin has said about this, because these two artists are sure shared for years now, like 2 years now, and none of them going back and forth. But I don't tell me thinking I comment back about this. Let's take a listen.
Man afraid of war. So me can't tell you no say no better than Alkaline or Alkaline no better than him. The two of them need to go up against each other for we see who better than who. Them need to go up against each other. Alkaline and Masicka need to be rival. And then we see who better than who. Out. This just the truth, bro. Me don't like how not treat the man for no reason. Then the next thing, truth be told, Vibes Cartel, the entertainer, the person who introduced him to Bounty Killer, me hear on a day so I would have sleep on it and say, boy, Butler need to get a show. How far this loyalty something go? When you introduce somebody to anything. Now you introduce Bounty Killer and Cartel and them start do a thing. Can Butler go work one show? For Vibes Cartel?
Tell us every rich, tell us every bad truly. But the dark at the dawn, but the news be. We again point up of the convo. He kill our
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch, big up everybody we are share it. As me I say, me appreciate you all on. You know what I mean? Until next time guys, we out.